Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning with Ray. We're gonna make a continuing video with Adobe Premiere. So last time I went over how to add a image over a video, and recently I wanted to start adding sound to my video so I could, add some sound effects, which I think came out pretty nice. It's very simple, and I need to find a lot more sound effects to make a really nice video. But this is what I learned, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I'm pretty sure there's more people out there trying to set up an audio. Also, I'm pretty sure there's a better way to find audio or rip out audio from scenes and videos that you like, stuff like that. But I will show you the way that I did it. So for now, I already have an audio here that I got. If you guys are, some of you are probably familiar with this. If you played Gears of War, it's the Gears of War headshot. So if I play the audio over here, it's just the sniper rifle headshot on repeat. So I grabbed that audio and I went ahead and added it to my video here, which I will show you guys shortly, but first I'm going to show you how I got it. Use this one. So I went ahead and used something called Tube Ripper. I just found it. I was Googling how to get audio. I had some extraction program, but the MP3 files weren't coming up. And I was going to show you guys how to use it, and I'll put the link of this below as well, so you guys could get it. So I was going to add, let's add one final
It's Taco Bell's double steak grilled cheese
not
burrito
this
with all
Taco Bell
steak,
commercial.
nacho cheese sauce.
I was a really big Halo player, really super into, so I want to add this specific soundtrack to my video, right? So I really enjoy this. Obviously, this is copyrighted material, so that is a different story and a different thing to talk about at a future case. But I got the video. I took the link. I want to go ahead and hit play here, and I'm just gonna extract the audio file. I've been extracting it as an MP3. I haven't tried other audios, but so far I've tried the MP3 one. So now it's downloading, so we're gonna wait for that. While we wait for that, oh, it's done. Let me go ahead and actually put that on the desktop next to my League of Legends, so I don't forget where it's at. But for now, let's just go back to the video that I've been editing. So say, right, I showed you guys the sniper headshot. This is what it actually looks in the video that I created here on the right side. And I added this headshot. If I go ahead and let's find this random spot. Grab this audio here, throw it in there. You'll hear a headshot. Well, let me rewind it a little. So once you have the audio file, it's a literal drag and drop, and I'll show you guys how to put the audio file in here. So far I have a couple folders, so it's easier for me to go over it. Here's the image that I showed last time, or at least a similar one. So I have my video, which is the actual video that I'm editing, the audios. I'm gonna overlay other videos maybe eventually. One thing I did learn, so I don't want this entire track of sniper shots because there's 3 of them. You could add these mark-ins and markouts to adjust what exactly you want from the audio, and then you could actually drag and drop it. So the first time it only goes to 1 headshot. Now it shows 2, right? But I only want the 1, so I'm just gonna place it in a spot that I enjoy. So here, play it. It's a single headshot. Piece enter here. Then once I add it, it's just a single headshot. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to my desktop or the folder that you saved it to. So here's my files. I saved it to the desktop right away. Let me rename this Halo 3. So I'm gonna throw my audio in my folder, import that audio. So now I'm gonna click on my audio folder, click on my audio file, let's play it. So now we're gonna get the full intro song, which is fairly loud, so let me lower the volume. Wait a little bit until it gets to the drums. So the drums start around 30. Let's say I want it up to there, so I'm gonna put a mark out here. I don't want it from the beginning, so I'm just gonna put it over here. Yeah, maybe right here when it's a little lighter. So now I've cut off this section. Here's the entire audio, but it won't put it all in, and it'll only give me this little section that I cut out. Okay, so we're gonna get that small little piece. We're gonna throw it in our video. Right. It's actually fairly big, so let me rewind a little bit. Oops. So I'm gonna keep pushing this so it could actually match up to my other audio, and I'm gonna show you guys what it did here. Okay, so this is audio that I had already added. This is the sniper headshot, and you guys will actually see it on the video. But now we have our new audio, right? Once we're coming in here, and I want this to connect with the headshot as I'm getting the kills, so it sounds really good. Let me rewind it and just start it one more time. I'm gonna play it on full screen, so now I could hear the sniper headshot after the audios. And obviously this is unplanned for, but I thought it would actually sound really cool, right? So let's look at that. It's almost like an entry to the fight before it starts. And if you notice that you can actually hear my clicking and audio on the other side. So I would imagine, I haven't done it yet, but you would cut up the video and lower the audio for the video of me clicking. Or if I know a lot of people, videos that I've seen, you could overlay your clicking so it's louder and you could actually hear it through the music. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. That was the original headshot audio that I was playing. So as soon as I got a kill, I got it. And I actually want to see real quick, how would this sound overlapping it? Let's play that again. That actually sounds a lot better. So let me actually zoom into this so I can show you guys how to manipulate the audio sound. So let me make this bigger. Oh, make that smaller. Okay, let's make this one a lot bigger. So in here, so far from what I know, like you can move this little bar and make it sound a lot louder. This will bring that there. So now let's play that again and see how loud it sounds. It's a lot better, honestly, in my opinion. Cool. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much how I was able to add some audios that overlay on top of other audios in my video. I'll put the video I added that sniper headshot to at the end of this video, so you guys can take a look at that. If you have any interest in it, I would really appreciate it. If you do, comment how terrible it is and stuff like that, so I could make things better. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.